Assalamualaikum everyone. Hope you all are fine. The topic today we discuss about is fats. Previously मैंने वीडियो ट्यूटोरियल में डिस्कस किया है कि कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स बेसिकली व्हाट इज कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स डिफाइन कैसे हुआ है, हम उसके फंक्शन को हम कैसे इसको एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. ठीक है. The topic today we discuss is about fats. Fats are esters of fatty acid and glycerol. Fats build cells, parts and supply energy for cellular activities. CHO, carbon, hydrogen and oxygen. Small amount of phosphorus and nitrogen. Fats are esters of fatty acids and glycerol. Understand my point? Fats. Define fats. Yeah, what is fat? Fats are esters of fatty acids and glycerol. Fats build cell parts and supply energy for cellular activities. What is called fat? Fats in our body are made up of three molecules joined together. The three molecule structure is called a triglyceride. Butter, oil, nuts, meat and fishes. These are all the examples of the fats. The fats with three acids are called triglyceride neutral fat. The glycerol portion of every fat molecule is the same, but there are many kinds of fatty acids. Therefore, there are many kinds of fatty acid. Fatty acids molecules differ in the length of their carbon chains. In next slide, you can see that. What is the importance of fats in our body? 1 gram of fat can provide 8 to 9 calories of energy. Energy. What is energy? Energy is the ability to do work. Okay, 1 gram of carbohydrate or protein can provide only 4 calories of energy. Fat helps the body absorb vitamin A, vitamin D and vitamin E. In next tutorial, I explain about the vitamins. What are vitamins? और vitamins हम क्यों लेते हैं? ठीक है. Vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin D. You can see the formula. Tricitrine C57 H C110 O6. अब ट्राइसिट्रीन हम किसको कह रहे हैं? ट्राइसिट्रीन इज अ लिपिड यूज्ड इन डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सॉलिड लिपिड नैनो पार्टिकल्स. SLNS S L N S. Again I am explaining tricitrine. Tricitrine, listen, lipid used in the development of solid lipid nano particles. कार्बन हमारे पास 57 है, H 110 है और ऑक्सीजन 6 है. The two fatty acids known to be essential for humans are, you can see, The food materials that are rich in fats are mentioned below. Number one, coconut oil, vegetable oil, seeds, and various nuts. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Okay, why is fat in your diet important? Dietary fats are essential to give your body energy and to support cell function. They also help protect your organs and help keep your body warm. In this slide, you can see all the carbohydrates, great carbohydrates, good carbohydrates, bad carbohydrates. Basically, my dear, listen carefully, all of you, those listening my today's tutorial. फैट्स टॉपिक है हमारे पास. फैट्स ऑयल्स को हम भी कहते हैं, ठीक है. फैट्स जो है वो ईस्टर्स ऑफ फैटी एसिड एंड ग्लाइसरॉल. वन पॉइंट. सेकेंड पॉइंट जो है, फैट्स जो है मॉलिक्यूल्स कंपोज प्राइमरी ऑफ कार्बन, हाइड्रोजन एंड ऑक्सीजन एटम्स. अब फैटी एसिड जो है वो कंटेन कर रहे हैं लॉन्ग हाइड्रोकार्बन चेन्स को, ठीक है, COOH ग्रुप्स को. Most important for your general knowledge, the human brain is approximately 60% fat. Thank you for listening. Any question you may ask. Allah Hafiz.